In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make yourself visible while sharing your screen on Google Meet, particularly during a presentation involving a PowerPoint. Google Meet is a powerful tool for virtual communication, but a common hurdle many face is staying visible during presentations. So let's dive into the process step by step. First, the journey begins with opening your preferred web browser and heading over to Google Meet's landing page. This is the online meeting environment where all the magic happens. Once you're there, you'll spot a button labeled New Meeting. This button is your gateway to starting any type of meeting using Google Meet, and it's conveniently located on the home page for easy access. Now, after clicking New Meeting, you will see several options appear before you. To proceed with our task, click on Start an Instant Meeting. This choice is ideal for quickly getting a meeting up and running without any predetermined schedule or need for an invite link. Think of it as creating an impromptu room where you can invite others to join as needed. Once your meeting room is set up, it's time to consider the options for sharing your screen while ensuring you remain visible to your audience. Here's where a little feature called Picture in Picture comes into play. Now direct your attention to the bottom of your screen within the meeting interface, where you'll find a button labeled More Options. Clicking this will reveal a drop-down menu containing various settings and functionalities that enhance your meeting experience. Among the options revealed will be one called Open Picture in Picture. By selecting this, you can create a miniature window that displays your webcam feed on top of the presentation or any content you're sharing. This feature ensures that your audience can see both your presentation slide and your face simultaneously, similar to how you'd appear on television. An important aspect when you're aiming for engagement and connection. Picture in picture is particularly handy when presenting because it helps maintain a visual presence that adds a personal touch. It reassures your audience that you're present and engaged, making it easier for them to connect with you and follow along with your presentation content. And there you have it, a simple, effective way to ensure your presence is felt even while you're sharing your screen. Simply head to Google Meet, start your meeting, and utilize the picture-in-picture feature so you can shine during your presentations. Whether it's for business, education, or social interaction, this technique will guarantee that your meetings are not only professional, but also personable. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this enhances your Google Meet experience.